developed blend of biojet fuel undertook flying operations from Leh airfield. Ladies and gentlemen, the parade is about to commence, and in a short while, sounding of the bugle will herald beginning of the combined graduation parade. Ladies and gentlemen, the parade is now marching in, keeping in step with the famous tune of Sound Barrier. The marching contingents, arms swinging, heels digging in, heads held high, proud of their blue Air Force uniform, heritage and motto, touch the sky with glory. Whether in the sky or on ground, the Air Warriors approach their task with confidence, dedication and pride. Their faces and eyes are shining with determination to become worthy officers today as they put their best foot forward.
Adjutant Flight Cadet Navneet Mishra will hand over the command of the parade to the parade commander, Flight Cadet Anurag Nain. Parade holds great significance for the armed forces. It reinforces discipline and instills a sense of pride and esprit de corps. It is a way of life for the personnel in the armed forces and depicts the level of preparedness and precision of an air warrior. The word parade It comes from the old tradition of formation combat, in which the soldiers were held in strict formation to maximize their combat effectiveness.
परेड हमारे समक्ष उपस्थित है। जैसे ही वायुसेना अकादमी के कमांडेंट, वायु अफसर कमांडिंग इन चीफ, प्रशिक्षण कमान एवं पुनरीक्षण अधिकारी परेड पर पहुंचेंगे, परेड इन सभी का सशस्त्र अभिवादन करेगी। आज परेड में नंबर 3 वायुसेना बैंड उपस्थित है, जिसका नेतृत्व JWO JG रॉबर्ट LMME कर रहे हैं। ये बैंड आज चुनिंदा फौजी धुनें बजाएगा, जो कि खास तौर पर इस समारोह के लिए चुनी गई हैं। शुरुआत में आपने जानी पहचानी धुन नॉर्दर्न बॉर्डर सुनी होगी। इसके अलावा CPO, विक्टर मार्च, वायु शक्ति और सारे जहां से अच्छा को भी आप सुन सकेंगे। बाद में नव कमीशन प्राप्त अधिकारी धीरे चल में ऑल लैंग साइन ये पायलट कोर्स में समग्र प्रथम आने वाले प्रशिक्षणार्थी को प्रदान की जाती है।
The training at Air Force Academy is headed by Air Vice Marshal D.K. Avasthi, Vishish Seva Medal, Deputy Commandant, Air Force Academy. Air Commodore L.K. Chawla, Vayu Sena Medal, Vishish Seva Medal, Chief Instructor Flying, heads the flying training. And Air Commodore B.S. Hora, Chief Instructor Ground, heads the ground training. Modernization through indigenization is the outcome of our quest for operating indigenously built platforms and supporting self-reliance that has resulted in significant progress on various systems.
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, एयर मार्शल जे चलपति, विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, कमांडेंट वायु सेना अकादमी का आगमन हो रहा है।
Ladies and gentlemen, Air Marshal J. Chalapati, Vishish Seva Medal, Commandant Air Force Academy, has arrived. He was received by Air Vice Marshal D.K. Avasthi, Vishish Seva Medal, Deputy Commandant, Air Force Academy. Now, we will give you some information about the institutions whose trainees are on the parade ground today. Air Force Station Hakimpet was established in August 1951. The advanced stage of fighter training is also conducted on Kiran Mark 1 aircraft at Fighter Training Wing, which is also at Air Force Station Hakimpet. In October 1973, Helicopter Training School was relocated from Jodhpur to Hakimpet. Observers of the Indian Navy. Pre-flying training for pilots was also conducted at this base from 1986 to 2002, before it moved to its present location at Air Force Academy. The station is commanded by Air Commodore Mahesh Bhaskar Asarkar, Vishis Seva Medal.